Hi, kindergartners. It's Mrs. Hamsh again with a Friday science lesson. This past week in science, you have submitted wonderful drawings of signs of spring. Our friends have told me that they have seen green grass, beautiful flowers, felt warmer weather, and some have even said that they've seen a rabbit outside. Well, during springtime, you may notice more baby animals are out and about. Did you know that animals take care of their babies just like parents or guardians take care of their children? Well, today we're going to talk a little bit more about animals and their babies. Today's learning target is I can identify animals and their offspring. Offspring is another word for babies by their images and names. Do you know what these baby animals are called? I'm sure you do. This animal is a baby cat. A baby cat is called a kitten. A baby dog is called a puppy. Here's some more animals. A baby duck is called a duckling. A baby cow is called a calf. A baby whale, which is right there, is called a calf as well. So here we're going to read the book Animal Babies by Carle. You are going to learn a little bit more about animal babies and their sounds, which is super fun. After the book, you're going to test your knowledge with me, and we're going to make sure that we remember the names of the baby animals in the book. You ready? Go have fun. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that read aloud. I thought the baby animal noises were super cute. So now it's time to test your knowledge to see if you remember what the baby animals from the book are called. Here we go. The first one is a fox. Do you remember what a baby fox is called? Whisper it in your hand. Microphone answer, which means say it out loud. If you said kit, give yourself a pat on the back because you got it right. Very good. Next, we have a seal. Do you remember what a baby seal is called? Whisper it in your hand. Microphone answer. If you said pup, give yourself a pat on the back because you got that one right. The next one is a penguin. Do you remember what a baby penguin is called? Whisper it in your hand. Microphone answer. If you said chick, give yourself a pat on the back. You got that right. Our next is a bear. Do you remember what a baby bear is called? Whisper it in your hand. Microphone answer. If you said cub, you got that right. Give yourself a pat on the back because you did a good job. What about a goat? Do you remember what a baby goat is called? Whisper in your hand. Microphone answer. If you said kid, give yourself a pat on the back because you got that one right too. What about a giraffe? Do you remember what a baby giraffe is called? Whisper it in your hand. Microphone answer. If you said calf, give yourself a pat on the back because you got that right. All right, think about what a baby lion is called. Do you remember? Whisper it in your hand. Microphone answer. If you said cub, give yourself a pat on the back because you got that right. Good job. What about an elephant? What was a baby elephant called? I want you to whisper it in your hand. Microphone answer. If you said calf, give yourself a pat on the back because you got that right. Friends, another animal we have is a zebra. Do you remember what a baby zebra is called? Whisper it in your hand. Microphone answer. If you said foal, give yourself a pat on the back. You got that one right. And this is our last one, a monkey. Do you remember what a baby monkey is called? I want you to whisper it in your hand. Microphone answer. A baby. Good job. So today's learning target is I can identify animals and their offspring, also known as babies, by their images and names. And you guys have done a great job at doing that today. I'm so proud of you. I want you to give yourself a big round of applause. You guys have hit your learning target. There it is. Well, I've had such a great time with you guys today, and I hope to see you next week for another Friday science lesson. Bye-bye, kindergartners.